Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a really quick video on how to increase your Postcard Tycoon profits, okay? So this is gonna be a really simple video, but very powerful. Okay, so with Postcard Tycoon and postcard marketing, you're gonna have a few expenses, right? You're gonna have your postcards, you're gonna have your leads, and then you're gonna have your stamps, right? So, well, you're going to be paying for your postcards and you are going to be paying for your leads. However, what if there was a way to stop paying for stamps? Okay, so how to increase your Postcard Tycoon profits by stop paying for stamps and getting stamps for free. Okay, so what you do is you actually become a part of the Stamp Maximizer 100 and what happens is you actually get 100 stamps every time someone joins. Okay, so you get 100 stamps, then your sponsor gets 100 stamps, and then WTM, the company, gets 100 stamps. Okay, so it's a two-level stamp program, and you actually get free stamps, and they're forever stamps. Okay, they're not anything else other than forever stamps. Okay. And so those are what you're going to be buying and sending, and those are what you're going to be receiving from other team members that join your Stamp Maximizer 100 team. Okay, and so this is a perfect Postcard Tycoon upsell, or a perfect Postcard Tycoon bundle, or a perfect Postcard Tycoon system that actually allows you to save money and increase your profits. Okay, so this is like one of the actual upsells within Postcard Tycoon that I recommend to my team, because you actually can save money and increase your profits. Okay, and just imagine you get a few hundred stamps for free. Well, I mean, that's amazing. Okay, that's absolutely incredible. So thanks for watching this video on how to increase Postcard Tycoon profits. This is one of the tips that I teach inside of my team to help you succeed with Postcard Tycoon. And so make sure to get access to my personal team bonuses, and make sure to get started right now. Take action to get on my team, and let's get your Postcard Tycoon business started and profitable, right? So no income results guaranteed. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Justin Temple. Have a wonderful day.